Price then retraces back to minor support plus the 50 EMA and also forming a clear inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish signal.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to the Education channel where we'll try to simplify your learning as much as possible. I want to wish you a happy new year 2026, and I believe so strong that in this 2026 you're going to have enough pips in your bag. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at a special video, okay, that shows you how to analyze the forex market. Just in case you've been struggling to know how to analyze the market efficiently without having too many indicators being displayed on your screen, you're going to learn that today. So please, if you're yet to subscribe to the Education channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
When you're trading against a trending market, you need a lot of confirmations, because most times in a trending market, price does not care about support and resistance. Price usually break through everything. Now this is why you need more confluence when trading against the trend. We use the higher time frames and we want to wait for the key price actions on these higher time frames and time frame confluence. This is the monthly time frame, and we have this area that has acted as both resistance and support. We have a bullish bias here and we need more bullish presence on the weekly time frame. So let's jump to the weekly time frame. Here on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that the level of support is in the same direction. We can fine-tune this level to better accommodate the weekly level of support. Don't forget that support and resistance represents areas, so trying to adjust this is fine. Because you don't jump into trades, you still need to wait for proper confirmations. So here in the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that there are three rejections of this level. Number one, the long wick candle rejecting it, the break of trend line, and a bullish engulfing candle. These three rejections signify the heavy presence of buyers. Now, if you enjoy swing trading, you can simply enter a buy position straight away, or you can go to the lower time frame to look for entries and hold this trade for several weeks. But I usually enjoy earlier entries, so let's go to the daily time frame to confirm the buys. Here in the daily time frame, we have a clear trend line break and also a clear break of price above the 50 EMA, which totally aligns with our weekly and monthly time frame bias. Price then retraces back to minor support plus the 50 EMA and also forming a clear inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish signal. We have another entry opportunity here as price pulls back again to the 50 EMA, the minor support level, the trend line, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Now you can target a 1:3 risk to reward ratio.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're yet to do so, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time we post a new content on this channel. And I'll see you in the next video.